Welcome to today's video where I'll be sharing a powerful tip on how to make money with a faceless YouTube channel. And here's the exciting part, I'll be using AI to help us create an engaging script for our video. First, we'll be using ChatGPT to write our script. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, it's incredibly easy to use. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT to write a script for your YouTube idea. For this example, I'll be asking ChatGPT to write a full 5-minute script for a video about the safest places to travel as a solo traveler. As you can see, ChatGPT is doing its thing and creating a full script for us. Creating a script for your YouTube video is the most time-consuming part, but with ChatGPT, we can expedite the process. We can even use ChatGPT to expand on specific sections of the script. Once we're happy with the script, we'll move on to the next step, which is turning our script into a video. To turn our script into a video, we'll be using PICTOry. This is one of the best script-to-video tools available, and it's very easy to use. Once you're on PICTOry, you can select your video style, such as animated, live action, or whiteboard. You can also fully customize the look and feel of your video to match your brand. Next, we'll add music and sound effects to our video. PICTOry has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects to choose from, or you can upload your own. Once you've added your music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any final edits before exporting it. Exporting your video is a straightforward process, and then you can upload it to YouTube or any other video platform of your choice. By using ChatGPT and PICTOry, you can create engaging and professional videos for your YouTube channel in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually. So, if you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, give this powerful tip a try, and see how it can help you create more engaging and professional videos for your channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel.